Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you a simple way to draw a seahorse. Now we're gonna start with a couple circles, a small to medium sized one towards the top, then right underneath that one, it's going to be a long oval. So we'll do our long oval like that. And then one more circle off to the side over here. You're going to kind of want to make that medium size too, and meeting a little bit up with our oval. Pause for a little bit so you can finish your circles. Now we're going to connect these two and make the neck. So we're just doing kind of a curved line, and they're curved in. And then we can go ahead and erase these lines right here that make up our circle and oval. Then it kind of looks like a bowling pin. And then for his little nose, we're gonna come from the top here, draw a line out like that, and then we're gonna take that line and go up a tiny bit and then straight down, and then we're gonna meet back up with our head over here like that. And his eye, if you look at where this line is from your circle, his eye is going to be about right here. So you can draw a circle and maybe fill it in for his eye. And then we don't need this line here anymore after we put in that eye, so we can erase it. And now let's do the tail before we add his spikes and stuff. So for the tail, you're going to connect these two if they aren't already connected. And then you're going to swoop it around and meet it back to the bottom of this oval. And then you're going to kind of go on this side of your oval and draw a line and do that little curly Q. Just a little curly Q there. And then we can erase our other side of our circle. Kind of only used part of it to help guide us. And we can erase this end of the oval as well. So there's our main part of our seahorse, but they have little spikes. So if you just want to add little bumps, they're not huge bumps. I think some are spikier than others. It just depends on the seahorse. So we're making bumps all the way down. I'm gonna keep going with that until you get about right here. Stop right about there, kind of a fourth left of our oval. And they have little fins or flippers. I'm sure there's a scientific name, anatomical name for them, but they have a little fin thing right here. And then you can continue on with some bumps all the way to the tip of your tail. And they do get smaller as it gets to the tail. And then if you also look at a seahorse, you can add little lines across. They kind of have ridges in their bodies. And if you want to add this, their eyes kind of are poked out. They're kind of like bubble-eyed a little bit, kind of like goldfish. So you can add that to make it look a little more bubbled out. And that's how you can draw a simple seahorse. I hoped this video helped you out with whatever project you're working on, or if you just wanted to learn how to draw a seahorse. And if this did help you out, please give it a like so other people can find this and it can help them too. I hope you have a good rest of your day, and thank you for drawing along with me.